You're gonna be my helper, okay? What does it say? Banana. Banana. Go. Okay, I go. I was very hungry when I ordered this.
And I can feel the sun on my skin.
Yeah, let's have some breakfast. Let's have some breakfast. Yay! Good morning, everybody. I am a little extra tired this morning. I don't know what was going on, but Arrow was having nightmares last night. It had to have been nightmares because everything else was fine, and I think she's at that age, and I had to go in quite frequently and comfort her. I almost slept in her toddler bed, but it was kind of uncomfy because I didn't have a blanket that fit me or a pillow. Bouncing back and forth last night, and then she was up at 6:30. But I wanted to show you what a day in the life with my nanny is like. She will be here at 8 a.m. So this is kind of the prep that I do for her, and I've already done a doggy walk. So let's do breakfast. I'm also in dire need of some grocery shopping. We're actually gonna do that today. So I'm just gonna do this yogurt that I've left. It is a dairy-free yogurt. It's a peach cashew butter. And then jarred fruit is my go-to when I'm low on groceries. Cheerios. So we have a little bit of protein, carb, and a fruit, right? A little bit of this yogurt. These peaches are so yummy. I think I'm just gonna do one and cut it up small. And some Cheerios. Oops. Some water. Arrow, look, you want breakfast? Hi, Boo-Boo. Banana. 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 Back from editing because I had a grocery delivery today, or this week is kind of weird because I've been on and off at my family's house and we have no groceries, if you couldn't tell by breakfast and lunch, so I did a really big order. And the other thing that's really unusual is I have a package delivery. It's Arrow's birthday gift and it's really big and it's coming between 11. It's 10:45 now and 3. So normally when my daughter is with the nanny, I'll try to do things that I need to get done out of the house, whether it's like a doctor's appointment, a dentist appointment, a DMV appointment, a meeting, nails, you know, like the things that I can't do during the week that need to get done during the week sometimes. I have brought Arrow to a dentist appointment and a doctor's appointment. Very difficult, but sometimes, yeah, you gotta do stuff like that, but that is one of the reasons I like having a nanny twice a week, for stuff like this because, yeah. Let me grab all of the groceries. Almost done. Let's go through a little grocery haul, multitask, unpack, and I'll kind of talk about my life now with a nanny because I haven't talked about it yet. It's been probably a month and a half that I've had her working, and I didn't want to mention it because I did try out a nanny one other time when my daughter was 6 months old. I did make a video about it, and she ended up going with a different family because she wanted full-time, and I really didn't need full-time. I just needed, 2 days a week. Even though it was amicable, she was great, and I'm happy she got a full-time position, I, was kind of turned off of doing the whole nanny thing, and in my mind, I was like, you work from home, you can figure it out, do the work and the naps, and, work when she goes down, and I did that. I did that for a year, and, took her to my dentist appointment, doctor's appointments, and I definitely just got to a point of burnt outness on the daily where I felt like I couldn't give energy and play with my daughter during her awake windows because I was so tired and stressed and trying to get work done. And when I would have time alone, it would usually be on the weekends, and then I wouldn't be able to get doctor's appointments on weekends because they ended up being closed. There were like last minute emergencies, and I get it. Like sending a kid to daycare or asking a family member to watch your kid or getting a nanny, you kind of feel like you're failing, and whatever route you decide to go is going to be the right route for you. But I want you to feel confident in the decision that you are making and don't feel guilty about it, and you are doing the best possible thing you can do in your situation. And I kind of told that to myself. It's been incredible. I've been able to get my work done during this time. Arrow gets to go to the park, she gets to make friends, she gets to play, she gets to be outside. She loves the nanny, I love the nanny. I usually try, like I think I said already, to prioritize the things that are really hard to do with her that are out of the house on the times she is with the nanny. But there are occasions like today where, I could get a lot of work done at home, and I'm kind of stuck waiting for this package delivery and grocery delivery. I feel like I'm not really explaining my haul. You're just kind of like looking at it. I had a bunch of frozen stuff. That was like the only stuff I had left for jarred. So everything you're gonna see is mostly fresh or snacks from me because I was very hungry when I ordered this. I ordered like a smoothie bag thing I really wanted to try, and they substituted stir-fry blend, which I will eat, but definitely not the same thing as a smoothie blend. Like I always say, there is no one way to parent. I just wanted to give a glimpse into what having a nanny looks like for me, how I utilize that time, how I prep that time, like how I prep her lunch beforehand, how we do breakfast beforehand. I still have that time with her. I have her between 8 to noon, and that's because Arrow will go down for her nap, usually 12:30, and then she'll sleep for like an hour and a half, 2 hours. Sometimes she won't nap if it's a little bit of a regression. Usually I'll have that time too to work, and I can work from home, so that's why I just have the nanny for those 4 hours. And that's kind of the way I structured it to make the most sense for me. Okay, that is everything I got for an entire week for 2 people, but really me and 1 human that eats enough for 3 people, or eats enough for 1 person and then 2 people for the floor. We are still waiting on the delivery. So I'm going to prep, how cute is this? It's a little like snack dispenser where they can like choose which snack they want. I'm gonna prep this because I think after Arrow's nap, I feel like the delivery is gonna happen during her nap, so it's probably gonna be a bad one. So I think I'm gonna try to take her. Riot, you're not gonna get the dog, it's okay. I think I'm gonna take the whole team over to Arrow's dad's mom's house because we're really close and just run around outside, and I wanna have some snacks prepped. Update, I went and picked Arrow up, tried to have her nap for 30 minutes, she didn't nap, but the delivery did come. Phoebe, how did you not take a nap? How? You tell mommy. Okay, we go. Ooh, okay, mommy needs help getting all these out. Good job helping. You're gonna have so much fun playing with this because you're gonna have built it. Thank you. Very good job. Okay, you do that side, and I'll do this side. Thank you. Here, you're gonna be my helper, okay? What does it say?
I'm looking up from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my
Guys, the no nap. We're gonna do a nap first. Are you all done? You all done? Well, this hasn't happened in a while. I'm putting Arrow down at 6:30 p.m. We've been doing like a 7:30 p.m. bedtime, but she was so tired. They played at the park. She did not nap. We like worked and built all this stuff together, and she was just losing it. Like I held her pantsless with both of us having Crocs on to walk Riot to go to the bathroom tonight. I looked like a hot mess, but I was just like, she wouldn't put pants on, and I had to take my dog pee. Okay, this is what today in my life looked like. Not every day looks like this. Some are messier, some are better. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, give today's video a like, and I will see you guys when I'm feeling more alive. Love you, bye.
You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone.